Alright, guys, I think I'm ready to talk about the first step into actually hitting algorithm and making videos that are gonna get you views. For me, the number one thing that I did was to use Discord as my advantage, but I didn't really know anything about Discord and I didn't get introduced to it until I met somebody in a random game. So these are my first few videos. I did like a little series on Cold War and it got decent views. These were all organic views that people searched up or hit recommended. I didn't have like a bunch of people watch these. These are pretty organic. So 250 my first video, 138, 105, 174. It was nice. And then after that, the views started dropping. 90 views, 120, 400, 90 views again. And then I didn't really do anything spectacular. And you can have a good channel, like starting from the hundreds and slowly work your way up. But if you're in the hundreds forever, that's not good for your channel. You gotta actually start moving up on the ladder. And then I did eventually have a pop-off video right here. These are very important. Every single time you have a video that gets recommended like crazy, you gotta see what you did good in this video and then kind of like mimic it. Because videos that you do really good on, if someone sees this, your next video is going to be recommended to everybody who sees that. So if you do one that says trash talker, if you do another one that says trash talker, it's going to do good. And that's what I did right here. This had like 400 views at the time. So when I made another one, it had 300 views, which was really good back to back. And then this ended up hitting 1,200. And then it slowly went back to the rhythm of getting in the hundreds. But yeah, I didn't really join the Discord until I was around this stage where I had 171 views. And then actually no, it might have been more than that. It might have been more than that. Let me go further down, further down. It was, I guess, right around here. Yeah, January. I'd say either late December or January. And ignore these videos. These were shorts. I think shorts is a horrible idea for growing your channel, and I'll talk about that later. But I joined the Discord right here. I started getting, high hundreds now. Cause look, I did. Where was it? I didn't. I did a few Warzone videos, but they only did good because people were like searching it up at the time. I don't think it's the best to do the best loadout because everyone does that, and you're gonna be under their shadow. But I got 99 views. Where is it? 110, 354. 123, 383. Look at this. 383, 67, 674, 860, 534, 980. And you're like, whoa, wait, why? Seal, you went from getting 123 to all of a sudden 300. And then you got 300 again? And then this video I privated. That's why it's low in views because I didn't like it at first. And then 600 and then 800. How'd you get that big jump? And that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. So, let me make sure I don't expose any of my secrets. Discord, right? Amazing system. My Discord, almost at 2K members at the moment. Smaller Discords, I think, are the best way to grow your channel. I joined a Discord. It was Ivy's Discord. I don't think it was a Slight Discord. It was called Click. But it was before Slight was a thing. It was just grinders, S&D content creators, doing like movement videos and trying to get a big jump on the movement trend so that they can grow. And I was one of the first few people to be in touch with those guys. And when they started growing, they had like the self-promotion section, and that's where everybody either self-promoted their content and they would check each other out and they would play together. So I think the number one thing you should do is join a small Discord. You can do it off big Discords too, but I recommend starting with smaller ones first. So let's just say, Seventh? Seventh has 239 members. These people are going to be a lot more in touch with you compared to like my Discord because I have almost 2,000 members. But like the 7th Discord only has 239. So you can technically get in touch with most of these people in here, talk to them, do like, hey, check out my channel, check out yours. And then you can go to self-promotion, promote your videos, and then watch their videos. I used to do this too. when you self promote, look at this, drawn. Oh, like you want him to watch your thing, right? Be like, go to his thing, be like, awesome video, man, or something like that. Just like, be nice to people. Awesome video, man. And then give him a like. And people who don't have a lot of, views and subs or anything, if you sub to them and if you like their video, they're gonna see that. They're gonna know, oh, this guy commented, he likes my video. I'm gonna go check this guy out. I'm gonna go comment on his video, like his video, and all that stuff. So you want to make sure that you make a lot of friends, small friends that aren't big. You don't want to make super big friends because then they don't really care too much about you because they're focused on their own numbers. So make sure when you're in Discord, you abuse the self-promotion section. And it is pretty smart to join a bunch of Discords, like let's just say my Discord, the Umbra Discord, Crafted Nation, 7th. If you self-promote in every single Discord when your video drops and you get people to watch your videos, and you watch their videos, then that helps you get the views that you need for your channel. So, and I privated a lot of my videos. But, oh wait, no, I did oldest first. So these videos, right? Like this whole rack and this whole rack right here, it was all just telling people like to watch my video, I watched theirs over and over and over again. And keep in mind, these videos didn't have, like, this didn't have 860 views, this didn't have 500. This one probably had like 150, this one probably had like 210. This one had like 200 something. This one had 400. Yeah, it still has 400 something. So these videos right here, they had like a few hundred, and I was used to getting like 100 something, and they were getting a lot more because I was going into each and every Discord, self-promoting and meeting a lot of friends. So I think that Discord is amazing for that, because if you do anything else like Twitter or Instagram or all that stuff, you don't really get into a group like you can with here. Like if I wanted to, I can jump in a VC and talk to these guys. What's up, guys? How you doing? I didn't even hear anything they said. I think something's wrong with my mic. But anyways, you just talking. You just come into Discord, talk to people, make friends, do whatever, and that is like one of the fastest ways to grow on YouTube, in my opinion, because you're getting raw views. Like, you're getting people who actually click on your video and watch your thing, and tell them to watch to the end. And you can make videos that are like short, like 4-minute videos that they can watch to the end, and that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Another thing about Discord, like what I did and I highly recommend, is that, look, this video is probably the thing that blew my channel up right here. Even though my first actual blow up video, like my real blow up video, was this one. This one was the thing that kind of made me hit algorithm to get ready for this blow up video. So Gravy Artworks thought I was stream sniping. I was in the Discord with like known people like Gravy Artworks and Swahi and Ivy. And what I did was, I made a video of, they thought I was stream sniping and I was just killing them. So what I did was I made a video, it was really funny, and it had meaning towards our Discord. So when I promoted it in the Discord, I was like, oh guys, Gravy Artworks thought I was stream sniping, I made a video about it. The entire Discord wanted to watch that video because it had meaning to them. Because they were like, oh, I know Gravy Artworks, and I remember when the Fisty was doing that, he's weird for stream sniping, which I didn't, but that's what everybody thought. So if you can like join a Discord, make friends with a lot of people, and like even start something, like, yeah, like this was like a friendly thing, you don't have to be like, I don't know, I clipped the 5th seal in 4K and completely obliterated him in a match. Hey, you could do that if you want. You could definitely do that if you want, but you'll probably get hated by a lot of people. But if you do something funny like this, if you go in a Discord, if you make the Discord, like, if you do something that has meaning in the Discord to make a lot of people in that small section watch your video, then that's going to hit you. That's going to make you hit recommended. So Discord is an awesome way to meet with friends. And please try your best in every way to utilize it in a way that it can help force random people to click on your video. Another thing I do want to say is that doing I'll talk about this in other videos too, but doing sub for sub is not the best way to grow on YouTube. It's good for let's just say you're watching Search and Destroy content and they're watching Search and Destroy content, And if you do a sub for sub, it can help you because you're going to be promoting yourself to Search and Short channels and other viewers. But if you do sub for sub to like cooking channels and Fortnite people, you're just going to hurt your channel. So please don't do sub for sub, especially when it comes to other content that is not what you're trying to promote. And views matter a lot more than subs. If I have 200 people randomly just view my channel and they don't subscribe to it, then it's still going to help my algorithm a lot. Your algorithm doesn't look at your subscribers. It only looks at your video count. So if you do like, just like watch for watch and you don't subscribe, you're still going to get algorithm and recommended, even if you don't hit the subscribe button.